Now they put it up. Wow.
Falco go burn?
Waiting for release.
Nah, you know what's wild? Prism saying out of stock already.
I'm not even getting at the car. I'm just still waiting for release.
Wow, yeah, they just put up checkpoint.
This is out stock.
They just put up checkpoint. I'm dead.
Oh, I checked out. I checked out.
On Shoe Palace?
Foot Locker.
Oh, which on spot?
Nebula.
Hey, the Bella go burr.
Size 12.
There you go. Congratulations.
Dang, let's go. I didn't even know this thing worked on Foot Locker like that. Aqua Resis.
Sleeping at the entry.
I'm restarting this one.
Bypass activated. Let it run. This spot is a bypass? Like that at home? Bypass?
Oh, baby. Center scores.
What's up, everyone? Hope you all did enjoy that part. It was very short just because I didn't actually end up hitting, so I didn't want to bore you all with just watching me take a L. So basically, I ran Prism and another bot called Kage. Kage is a beta bot currently, and I will leave their socials on the screen currently. It does have a lot of work to do, but I am impressed in the sense that it is a working bot. Now, this is post Jordan 1 high, black and gold's me speaking, so I will have to say that my friend did end up hitting on the drop today, but on the Kobe drop I did get no success. Now the bot has gotten success on footside drops before, so I definitely think it is a contender in the future. Now with the Kobe's, I didn't end up getting any myself, but my friend Popcorn, whose live cop channel I will leave on the screen currently, was able to scoop up a pair for me on Torpedo. I do have to say that I am impressed, and these I feel like should be going for a lot higher than they are. I'm probably gonna hang on to these for a little while longer and then list them up on eBay. But other than that, I will take you on to the next release, and I will see you all then.
Oh dear, the police are outside. Jesus Christ.
Hey, Frosty.
Yo, I'm checking out.
On what?
Manual, what the fuck?
Oh shit, I forgot.
Yo, actually,
An
the
error
link.
has occurred. An error has occurred.
Oh, the item's out of stock. I just got hit with
Payment
that.
declined, Trey.
That's a damn lie.
I'm dead.
Whoa, what about me?
Are you lying? I know you lying.
Wait, retrieving captcha.
My cars
Oh,
don't
dear.
decline.
The item was not added to your cart. The item has just gone out of
You-
stock.
I got oh dear. Great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, this item is out of stock already?
Yeah, it's
It's out of
Ooh,
stock.
Let's go. I just picked up mine from Best Buy though. So this is
Digital's out of
gonna
stock, so that's great.
Oh,
all right. Xbox Series X time.
Even the
Xbox Series X.
be- I noticed a lot of people becoming Microsoft fans after this.
Oh,
Oh, he did him dirty.
No, never mind. This is football. This is football you're doing.
Yeah, this is the football is the one that I lost on. I mean, the basketball.
Basketball.
I'm checking out right now on Walmart.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm losing on shit
Oh,
that
you
I have
bitch.
no reason to be betting on. Like
Continue.
fucking basketball.
Address,
You winning, dang, you are
Payment.
winning table tennis quite a bit.
card number, review order, place order.
Alright, I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Fucking Walmart, baby.
You hit?
Yeah, it's manual just now. Keep going.
Did it even drop yet?
Oh, no, not him. I don't know.
Yo, the Nebula checkout. Well, look. He's going crazy.
This that drop. What about Haven?
Yeah, Haven hasn't.
Do y'all even have one in cart?
Nope.
Funny.
I was just asking. I'm making. I want to make sure I ain't behind y'all.
Air in the car.
I was like, yo, I even got a motherfucker in cart right now. What's the deal?
Yeah, I'm
Air.
trying getting session.
I'm on waiting for cart for 343 tasks for one and 276 on another on Rush.
I have a ton in queue.
I don't know what the fuck Prism doing.
He says they're hitting, but Lock says it's hitting. The checkouts aren't there though. Like it's not logging.
I ain't passed splash yet.
So
Oh, Trey, Valor had a good 30 checkouts this morning.
oh,
All in all. Oh no, never mind. 8.
Is anyone passing splash off Dashy?
No.
Oh, he won't let you get.
Shay, I see what you're talking about now.
bro, fucking told like that shit. Like
I'm getting waiting for product,
yeah.
and I can't pass it. I already know I'm gonna burn through a ton of gigs.
Goodness.
of
Yeah,
data.
same. I'm about
I hit nothing.
to go burr on data.
No,
Bro,
no.
just stop,
Splash
man.
Force is in Splash now. Okay.
What'd you do?
Just
100% of CPUs being used.
bro,
GG's.
bro,
100%. God
Bro.
damn.
bro.
No, dude, Mech AIO is using up so much.
Well, for me, it's
Oh, it's browser.
for me, it's Splash Force and fucking Chrome. Like fucking, goddamn Chrome. Like,
Yeah, but it's for your CPU or your memory?
nah, CPU. Memory, I'm chilling. 54%.
According to Dashy, they're not letting anyone through.
Oh,
right
my
now.
memory's fucked right now.
Well, after
You know
2
how it
I was
is.
gonna
gigs.
say,
I might
'cause,
close
my
fucking
Dashy is
Velcro.
solving captures. Like I'm getting the little capture things in the windows, but like my shit still say waiting in Splash.
You know,
That's
it's,
who Velox.
hold on. Where's
I
the
think the only bot hitting right now is Wrath.
And Polaris.
Oh.
where's the volume mixer, bro? Yo, Vlogs, you gotta chill the fuck out.
On Koda.
Oh,
Waiting for capture.
Yeah, Vlogs gotta chill out with that sound, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That shit annoying as hell.
You need to get rid of that.
my God.
Rush is just in the queue. Like, I mean, it's not doing nothing. It's just chilling.
Pass splash on Rev.
Pass splash on Wrath. Pass splash on Wrath. Pass splash on.
Hit Ethan. There's the ACC. Fuck.
Oh, baby.
Oh, I hit. Wait, did I? Wait, I heard something.
Air generating
here?
session.
Boy, you heard a Vlogs capture. Relax.
No, no, I heard something.
You heard me time.
I heard something.
Hey, Horton.
Oh, I hit
What'd you hit? On what bot?
on Velox.
Oh, what?
Really?
Yeah.
Your session has
Oh.
expired. I hate you. I hate you so much.
How many tasks are you running on Velox?
100.
Mech? I'm just gonna wait for
Oh,
product
pass
on
some
Mech.
more?
Page after a minute.
Site is no longer available for purchase.
Cloud first started.
Oh, I
That's
got an order through.
crazy.
I think
Wait,
Barry
what?
hit.
Site-
I got one through.
I think Barry just hit for me. Huh.
Three sizes are gone
Hey
already.
guys, my
Yeah, I
session
think Barry hit.
expired.
Okay.
Dashy
I'm
got
getting cookies on
DDoSed.
that.
Oh, I got 2. 3. Oh.
I got proxy banned.
Oh man,
I don't know what the fuck's hitting.
dude, I was
Yeah.
only
I got
getting
4.
base sizes- base
Right now,
sizes of
3.
Probably Polaris.
I don't know what the fuck it is.
It's Polaris.
Okay.
Polaris.
I was like, I don't know
It's
what's
like
hitting
crazy.
right now. Okay.
They said they have around 3K checkouts. Actually, let me check. Yeah, 3K plus checkouts,
Someone just
10K
hit
per
8
show.
pairs on SF. What the hell?
I'm passing on Soul probably every 10 seconds, but nothing will card.
Wait, did they change SKUs for foot sites?
I swear to God.
Please don't say that, bro. Don't say that shit. Come on.
Don't.
Come on. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Don't say that.
Oh, they're at 6K checkouts.
On Polaris?
Oh, I'm in waiting at Splash now. Whoa.
What'd you do?
Foot Locker changed SKUs.
Okay. Yeah, now I'm on waiting to splash. Alright, bet.
What do you mean? Feel lucky? What is the SKU that you seen?
For the Jordans?
Oh, I can't.
Before I had it.
And you know, like all the shits,
Mm-hmm.
they all declined, but like Easy Cop was going crazy.
Hey, got one. Size 13. Let's go.
Let's go.
For which one?
Prism.
No, like.
Ones.
Yo, if I'm getting decline on hard, should I raise my
like,
delays?
Which one?
Oh, foot action. My bad. Foot action.
No,
What?
like which one?
Okay,
Oh,
waiting
the
data
highs,
going.
my bad, the highs.
Sending billing. Checking
Shut
out.
the fuck up, Frosty.
Took you 3 tries.
Yo, fuck y'all,
Let's
okay?
go. Checked out another one.
Wait, how'd it go? He went Prism. Wait, no.
Yeah.
Waiting
Foot
data
action,
going.
cause no.
And then-
I'm gonna tell you why I said foot action. It was
I
from
got
Mocha's,
another
remember?
checkout.
Remember from
38.
Mocha's? I was fucking pissed off, right? And then I finally hit. And y'all like, what site? Or no, wait, y'all's like, what? Which one? And I'm like, Prism.
What?
And then y'all like, what site? I'm like, huh? What site? And I'm like, foot sites. And he's like, no, what fucking site? And I'm like, Jams, you bitch. So I said foot action. Like, what the fuck? Like, I thought it was right, okay? You
Checking
bitch.
out.
Hey, whoever's running Easy Call.
Fuck.
$2 at around 300.
Hey, got another pair? Size 10? Okay.
2, 3, 4,
What site?
5, 6, 7, 8,
What side
9,
is this
10,
one?
11.
What site? East Bay.
Okay. Came out of nowhere. Yeah, they
I got a
noticed
size
me.
7
Yeah.
grade school.
Fuck you, Phantom.
Oh wow.
Alright, my Discord's frozen. I can't copy. Screws.
Alright, bro. I got you.
Thank you.
I got most checkouts on East Bay. Yeah. So no.
How you all doing? It is me again. I hope you all did enjoy the live cop. Basically, I just wanted to run through a couple of things. Mainly that I did get 3 pair of the 500s today through a friend using Polaris. As you all saw in the bottom right hand corner when those did pop up. So I am very happy about that. In addition to those, I did want to bring you all's attention to my email, where I am just going to show you all how many of the ones I got. So as you all can see here, I did get 13 total on champs, and then 1 on foot action, and then 1 on East Bay. A lot of these, actually, most of these were slots. A good amount website with slots that I just had friends run me on Torpedo, and actually another bot, Valor. I think that's how you say it, Valor. That bot has been doing phenomenal from what I've been seeing. In addition to that, we did have a Prism drop, which I think my friends were supposed to run me on. I'm not even sure. I didn't get any emails, so I'm guessing they didn't hit for me. But I hope you all did do well on these drops. And other than that, I will start to post more. I'm gonna basically post a Vlogs review, just kind of going over what I saw from the YS drop, because I was able to run that. But I will mainly tell you all, like right now, my main thing is just gonna be for them to have an option to, you know, turn off if possible that the little chime sound whenever you solve a captcha, because it does get very annoying from what you all heard in the recording, and I do apologize for my headphone users for that. I tried to turn it down once I really started to notice that it was annoying, but other than that, I hope you all did enjoy the video, and I will see you all in the next one.